такая замечательная книга. Interview Success, a step-by-step guide to land your dream job. Unlocking strategies, building confidence, and securing your path to career fulfillment. This is description. It's an amazing quality, you can see. And also it has bonus benefits. It really works. Some benefits because it may help you to success. It's like a guide, you see. You can hold it even in your backpack, whatever you have. This is for who is going to have an interview to get a job, any job they like. I would say dream job. Nighttime fun with my forest friends. It's an amazing book for kids. It's an amazing quality. I really recommend this book. I can show you some of the pages. What it's about. First of all, the child learns about animals, and not only about animals. A lot of kids suffering from nightmare, or they're scared to go by themselves to bed, and this book qualified for this. It's really amazing book. I really recommend this book for you little ones. Look at the duck says quack.
I'm sorry.
And the boy is characteristic, like he's excited. He always excited. These two books you can buy at Amazon.ca or any other Amazon, and it's also available in other countries. You just can Google and check online. If you have any questions, you're welcome to send me a message.